Now we are on a General Settings page, Message Variables tab of the QuizMaker plugin. And you can see the message variables available for your usage. As you can see, there are lots of message variables and all of them are advanced. So please note that you can't use message variables in all options of the QuizMaker plugin. So please let me explain you on what options you can use these message variables. All you need to do is to copy the message variable and paste it to your preferred option. So the options for which you can use the message variables are result message, quiz pass and fail message, email message, certificate title and body, interval message, and email configuration section for these sub-options. I have already copied and pasted some of the message variables for the result message option, so please let me show you this. In order to see the use case of message variables, we go to the particular quiz result settings tab and scroll down a little bit to see the result message option of the QuizMaker plugin. As you can see, you can fully customize the result message option by inserting your preferred message variables there. So please let me explain you what message variables exactly I have chosen for this quiz. The first one is username. The system will automatically show you the name you have inserted in the information form option name field. The second one is the quiz name. The system will show the quiz name accordingly. Then the current date, that is the date of passing this quiz. And the next one is score. The system will automatically show the score you have got for the quiz. So for the next line, for the second line, I have specified the user pass time. That means the time the user spent to pass the quiz. Again, I have inserted username has passed the quiz name, the particular quiz, in, for example, 5 seconds. Also, you can display the questions the user answered or skipped while passing the quiz. I have chosen to show both of them. First is answered questions count, the second skipped questions count. Also, as our quiz has different categories, particularly vocabulary and grammar categories, I have decided to show what percentage or score the user got for each question category separately. So for that, I have written you can see the results of the user by categories here and inserted results by cats message variable here. Please note that in order the results by cats message variable can work correctly for your quiz, you need to tick the enable question bank option and set how many questions you want to show for the particular question category. For that, we go to the settings tab and scroll down a little bit. Here is the enable question bank option. It has two sub-options, checkboxes, general and by category. I have chosen by category, and here you can see our categories, grammar and vocabulary. I have inserted 3 questions for this category and 2 questions for the vocabulary category. So we continue with our message variables and go to the result settings tab again. So we scroll down a little bit, and the last message variable I have chosen to display for this particular quiz is download certificate message variable. With the help of the download certificate message variable, the user can download his or her certificate right from the front end after passing the quiz. Also, please note that in order the download certificate message variable can work correctly for you, you need to go to the email and certificate tab, scroll down a little bit, and either tick the send certificate to user option or generate certificate without sending to user option. With the help of Send Certificate to User option, you can send the certificate to users via email, and with the help of Generate Certificate without sending to user option, you can just generate certificate and don't send it to the users, so that you can access to the certificates on a results page and send them on your preferred time frame. So we are done with our message variables. We have already copied and pasted all our preferred message variables for the result message option. Please note that you can choose any message variable you want from this list, and all of them will work for the options we have mentioned. So all we need to do is just to go to the particular quiz and save all the applied changes for the quiz. I have already copied and pasted the shortcut of the quiz to the particular post so as not to waste time. Here is the post, and by clicking the preview button, we go to the page where our quiz is located. So we click on the start button to start our quiz, and here is the name, email and gender fields of the information form option. Here we write the name, for instance Anne, and click on the next button to continue passing our quiz. So we choose answer options here, and we will see the result. So here is our result. Congratulations, you passed the quiz. As you can see, the system has automatically understood the name I have written for the information form option name field. It is Anne, and it is displayed here. So this is the username message variable. Anne has passed the English level test intermediate. This is the quiz name message variable on February 15, 2023. This is the current date message variable and scored 60% for it. This is the score message variable. Again, this is the username message variable, has passed the English level test intermediate. This is the quiz name in 9 seconds. This is the user pastime message variable. In this case, it is 9 seconds. For the next part, I can see the questions I have answered or skipped. It means that I have answered 5 questions and haven't skipped any of the questions. Then comes the results by message variable. You can see the results of the user by categories here. This means I have scored 33% for the grammar category and 100% for the vocabulary category. Also, here is the download your certificate button, by clicking on which I can download my certificate and view it with the information described on a result page.